Good morning, my fellow educators. My name is Leanne Sigavus, and today I'll be discussing progression in numbers and base 10. To start, let's talk about the importance of developing common mathematical vocabulary to be helpful for teachers and students. We have found that the ability to use vocabulary to explain, justify, and communicate mathematically is important to development of mathematical proficiency, which is the ability to understand and use mathematics effectively. Mathematical, mathematical proficiency has 5 strands that correspond together. They are conceptual understanding, that's comprehension of mathematical concepts, operations, and relations. Procedure fluency, skill in carrying out procedures flexibly, accurately, efficiently, and appropriately. Strategic competence, ability to formulate, represent, and solve mathematical problems, adaptive reasoning. Capacity to think logically and reflectively about mathematical situations. Productive disposition, inclination to see mathematicals as sensible, useful, and worthwhile. In that first strand, we see that it is important to know mathematical vocabulary to understand concepts and procedures. These concepts and procedures have been given proper naming with definitions clearly stating the thoughts and process behind the vocabulary. These vocabularies or terms will go along with students from kindergarten into college and beyond. In numbers in base 10, we can see these 2 vocabulary words and their definitions. One being computation algorithm, a set of predefined steps applicable to a class of problems that gives the correct result in every case when the steps are carried out correctly. The second vocabulary being computation strategy, purposeful manipulations that may be chosen for specific problems, may not have a fixed order, and may be aimed at converting one problem into another. The base 10 system is a uniform system for representing all numbers, using only the 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every number can be represented as a string of digits, where each digit represents a value that depends on its place in the string. Moving one place to the left, the value of the place is multiplied by 10, and moving one place to the right, the value of the place is divided by 10. For an example of base 10 could be 125. In the hundred place you have a 1, in the tens place you have a 2, and then in the 1 place you have a 5. Progression of base 10 standards starts in kindergarten, where the students learn the concepts of 19 having 1 place value in the tens place and 9 place values in the 1 place. This idea continues into the first grade, where students learn that 20 is 2 tens place and 0 being in the 1 place, 30 being 3 tens and 0 1 places, and so on and so on. Into second grade, the students will continue to work on base 10 place values by learning the hundred place. 459 would be the 4 in the hundredth place, 5 in the tens place, and 9 being in the ones place. The idea behind the base 10 and numbers progression is that it will continue on all throughout mathematical in school. Once you move on from the hundreds, you'll move into the thousands. And then you can see how to we are taking away 100 from 200. You take the 1 from the 200 spot, you have now 1 in the hundreds place, 0, 0 in the tens and ones place. It's a very simplified but efficient way of working with numbers. Thank you.